Do your legs feel a little weaker than they used to? Is it getting harder to push yourself out of a low chair? Or do you feel a bit less steady on your feet? Are you worried you might be losing the strength you need to stay active, independent, and keep enjoying life? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. But I want to be crystal clear about something. This is not an inevitable part of getting older. This is a battle you can absolutely fight, and it's a battle you can win. This isn't just about avoiding sore muscles. It's about the freedom to live on your own terms and the confidence to walk without that nagging fear of a fall. It's about being able to play with your grandkids, work in your garden, and keep doing all the things that give you joy. The great news is that science is pointing to a powerful solution that might just be hiding in your pantry. We're going to show you the 3 best nuts that are scientifically linked to fighting age-related muscle loss and helping you rebuild that leg strength. Stick with us, and we'll reveal which 3 delicious nuts you should be eating every day for stronger, more powerful legs after 60. Before we get to our top 3 nuts, let's quickly talk about what we're really up against. That gradual loss of muscle and strength that happens as we age has a name: sarcopenia. It's a major health issue for older adults, and it's the main reason simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries can start to feel like a workout. It's a silent thief that can rob us of our strength and our independence. For years, the advice was just eat more protein. And while protein is definitely a huge piece of the puzzle, exciting new research shows there's more to the story. It's not just about the amount of protein, but the powerhouse of nutrients that comes with it. In fact, a large-scale study of over 14,000 older adults published in scientific reports made a stunning discovery. Those who ate nuts almost every day had a 38% lower likelihood of having sarcopenia compared to those who rarely ate them. What's fascinating is that scientists believe this is because nuts are packed with a unique cocktail of anti-inflammatory fats, essential minerals, vitamins, and special compounds that all work together to protect, repair, and rebuild our muscle tissue. Now, let's get into which nuts are the true warriors in this fight. The anti-inflammation powerhouse, walnuts. First up is a nut famous for being brain food, but its benefits for our body's foundation, our leg muscles, are just as incredible. I'm talking about the mighty walnut. The real magic in walnuts comes from their exceptional amount of a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. So why is this so important? Well, one of the biggest enemies of muscle strength as we age is chronic, low-grade inflammation. You can think of it like a tiny, smoldering fire inside your body that never quite goes out. This constant inflammation sends signals that speed up muscle breakdown and stop your body from repairing itself properly. With their high ALA content, walnuts act like a powerful fire extinguisher, helping to calm that inflammation and create a healthier environment for your muscles to stay strong. The science on this is compelling. A 2024 randomized controlled trial looked at active older men who were all doing a mix of resistance and endurance training. Half of the men just did the exercises, while the other half supplemented their diet with just 15 grams of walnuts a day. That's only a small handful. After 6 weeks, both groups got stronger, but the walnut eaters pulled way ahead. The men eating walnuts saw their knee extensor strength, those crucial thigh muscles for standing up and walking, increase by an amazing 15.2%, compared to a 10.6% increase in the exercise-only group. They saw a similar boost in knee flexor strength as well. This shows that combining exercise with walnuts creates a powerful synergy, making your efforts to build strength that much more effective. As a fantastic bonus, other studies have linked walnut consumption in older adults to better sleep and cognitive function, which are both vital for overall energy and reducing fall risk. Tossing a handful of walnuts on your oatmeal or salad is a simple, science-backed way to build stronger legs while also supporting a sharper mind. The muscle function specialist, almonds. Next, we have a nut that works like a master controller for your muscles, making sure they have the energy and stability to do their job right. If walnuts are the firefighters, think of almonds as the expert electricians and structural engineers for your muscles. Their power comes from an incredible 1-2 punch of two key nutrients, magnesium and vitamin E. Let's start with magnesium. This mineral is a tiny giant involved in over 300 processes in your body, many of which are critical for muscle function. Every time you stand up, walk, or even tense a muscle, you need magnesium. It helps your muscles both contract and relax properly. It's also essential for creating ATP, which is the main energy fuel for your cells. When you don't have enough magnesium, your muscles just can't generate the power they need, leading to weakness and fatigue. Just one 30-gram serving of almonds, about 23 almonds, provides a big chunk of your daily needs of magnesium. But that's not all. Almonds are also one of the world's best food sources of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant. Every time we exercise, our bodies create unstable molecules called free radicals that can damage our muscle cells. Vitamin E acts like a personal bodyguard for those cells, neutralizing the free radicals and protecting the cell membranes from harm. This helps preserve your muscle tissue and allows it to recover better after any activity. Large-scale studies consistently show that regular nut consumption is linked to a much lower risk of having low muscle strength in older adults. Almonds, with their unique combination of muscle-fueling magnesium and cell-protecting vitamin E, are a clear standout. A daily handful of almonds is a direct investment in the very mechanics of your muscles, ensuring your legs have the fuel and protection they need. The muscle building block, pistachios. Our third nut isn't just about defense and maintenance, it's a true construction worker, delivering the raw materials needed to actively rebuild muscle. We're talking about the delicious pistachio. While other nuts fight inflammation and help muscles function, pistachios provide the fundamental building blocks for muscle growth. Their secret weapon? An extraordinary protein profile. Recent analysis has confirmed that roasted pistachios are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't make on their own. This is a rare and valuable quality in the plant world. These amino acids are the literal bricks and mortar used to repair and build muscle. This is especially important for adults over 60 who can experience anabolic resistance, where the body gets less efficient at using protein to build muscle. A high-quality protein source like pistachios helps overcome that hurdle. Even better, pistachios are high in amino acids called branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. One of these, leucine, acts like a foreman on a construction site. It's the key that turns on the ignition for muscle protein synthesis, telling your body it's time to build. But wait, there's more. Pistachios are also rich in an amino acid called L-arginine. Your body converts L-arginine into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This process, called vasodilation, improves blood flow. For your legs, that means a better delivery of oxygen and all those crucial amino acids right to your muscle tissues, and a faster removal of waste products. This helps your muscles perform better and recover faster. So there you have it. 3 powerful, delicious, and science-backed nuts to help you build stronger legs after 60. First, walnuts, your anti-inflammatory shield, protecting muscles from breakdown. Second, almonds, your muscle function specialists, ensuring your muscles have the energy and protection to work correctly. And third, pistachios, your master builders, providing all the essential amino acids to actively rebuild muscle. Remember, research supports a daily goal of around 30 grams of nuts, which is about 1 healthy handful. And if chewing is difficult, you can get the very same benefits from ground nuts or natural unsweetened nut butters. Adding a handful of these nuts to your diet is a simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful step you can take for stronger legs, better balance, and a more active, independent life. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more science-backed tips to help you thrive. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 3 nuts is your favorite, and how are you planning to add them to your daily routine?
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.